Welcome to 1700 AM, where we bring you the ultimate bike comparisons. Today, we put the 2025 Honda CBR650R against the all-new CFMOTO 675 SRR 2025 in an exciting showdown. Both bikes offer impressive performance, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology. But which one stands out? From engine specs to ride dynamics, we break down every key detail to help you decide. Stay tuned as we compare these two thrilling mid-weight sport bikes. The Honda 650R accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour. The CFMOTO 675, with its powerful triple-cylinder engine, achieves 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 3.2 seconds and boasts a top speed of 230 kilometers per hour. While both bikes offer exhilarating speed, the 675SR lightweight chassis and extra horsepower provide a slightly quicker and more aggressive riding experience. The 2025 Honda 650R features a 649 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, producing 94 horsepower and 63 newton-meters of torque, delivering a smooth yet powerful ride. The CFMOTO 675 packs a 675 cubic centimeter triple-cylinder engine, generating 100-plus horsepower, offering aggressive acceleration. Both engines are tuned for thrilling mid-range power, but CFMOTO's extra displacement and sportier tuning may give it an edge in raw performance and track capabilities. The CBR 650R features a steel diamond frame, offering a balanced mix of rigidity and flexibility, making it ideal for both city and highway riding. The CFMOTO 675, on the other hand, is built on an aluminum twin-spar frame, ensuring enhanced stability and precise cornering. With its sportier frame and aggressive suspension setup, the CFMOTO is likely to offer sharper handling, making it more track-focused. The Honda 650R is equipped with a Showa separate function, big piston USD front fork, and a rear monoshock, ensuring a comfortable yet sporty ride. The CFMOTO 675SR comes with fully adjustable USD forks and a performance-tuned rear monoshock, offering better damping control. Riders looking for track precision and aggressive handling may prefer the 675 SRR, while the CBR excels in all-around usability. The CBR 650R features dual 310mm front disc brakes with Nissan calipers and a 240mm rear disc, paired with dual-channel ABS for controlled stopping power. The CFMOTO 675 SRR is equipped with Brembo braking components, including twin 320mm front discs and a 220mm rear disc, ensuring superior braking performance. CFMOTO's track-oriented braking system provides stronger bite and better fade resistance, ideal for aggressive riders. The Honda 650R includes Honda selectable torque control, ride-by-wire throttle, and multiple riding modes for improved traction and stability. The CFMOTO 675SR offers advanced traction control, riding modes, quick shifter, and a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. While both bikes are well-equipped, the 675SRR provides additional track-focused electronic aids, making it the more tech-savvy option.
The CBR650R comes with a fully digital LCD instrument cluster, displaying essential ride data with clear visibility. The CFMOTO 675SR, however, boasts a large full-color TFT display featuring Bluetooth connectivity, navigation support, and ride telemetry tracking. For riders who prioritize modern features and smartphone integration, the CFMOTO's TFT screen provides a more advanced and user-friendly experience.
The Honda 650R offers a slightly relaxed riding position, making it comfortable for long rides while still feeling sporty. The CFMOTO 675 has a more aggressive, track-focused stance, with higher rear sets and lower clip-on handlebars, favoring performance over comfort. If you're looking for a bike that's versatile for daily use, the CBR 650R is ideal, while the 675 SRR suits aggressive riders. The Honda 650R features a 4-into-1 exhaust system, delivering a smooth, high-revving, inline-4 sound. The CFMOTO 675, with its triple-cylinder engine, produces a deep, raspy growl reminiscent of high-performance sport bikes. While the CBR 650R sounds refined and smooth, the 675 SRR offers a raw, aggressive exhaust note, appealing to riders who love a throaty, powerful engine sound. The Honda CBR 650R is expected to be priced around $10,000 to $11,000, offering Japanese reliability and balanced performance. The CFMOTO 675 SRR is likely to be slightly more affordable, making it an attractive choice for performance enthusiasts on a budget. While Honda delivers proven durability and versatility, CFMOTO brings more power and features at a lower cost, making both bikes excellent choices based on your riding preferences. That wraps up our comparison of the 2025 CBR 650R and CFMOTO 675S RR. Both bikes offer incredible performance, advanced features, and unique riding experiences. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 1700 AM for more exciting bike comparisons. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and we'll see you in the next video. Ride safe and keep chasing the thrill.